Learning about our users with analytics. In this section, we're going to take a look at using analytics to gain a full understanding of our app's performance, and then we'll use it to define user segments so that we can give our users a more personalized app experience. Introducing Firebase Analytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at Firebase Analytics, the service that gives us the information we need about our app, its users, and how they navigate through it. When managing an app, it's important to know how well it's doing through its users. It's also important to know how users commonly navigate through the app, so we can find newer ways to give them an improved app experience. That's where Firebase Analytics comes in. Firebase Analytics brings you a multitude of information sources you can use to know how well your app is doing through the main dashboard, or how your users are navigating through your app through events. Firebase Analytics also has a bonus feature called User Segmentation, which allows you to split your users based on set parameters or demographics to give each group a tailored app experience, but more on this later in the section.